with another video on the setup of your new Xbox Series X. Previously I have unboxed the console, and in case you have missed my video on unboxing, you can go through the link in the description below. In this video, I'm gonna breeze through the setup of your new Xbox Series X and setting up the console. Without wasting much of the time, let's get started. So guys, in our previous video we had unboxed the console Xbox Series X, and now we are going to take you through the setup of it, the initial setup. The console has been powered on by connecting the power cord and the HDMI cable to the TV. It's right up there. We have the amazing PS5 as well, but today we are going to breeze through the setup of Xbox Series X. Please note that the default button to breeze through the menu is the A button on the controller, which is green in color. So we are on the first screen right up there. We had pushed the Xbox logo button on the controller to power on the console. So this is the logo that you need to press. So we are on the first screen here. You need to press the A button to select the menu. We are on the language setup screen here. We need to set the language. We are on the network selection screen here. We need to choose the connection, whether we are using LAN or Wi-Fi. So we'll quickly connect to the net and we'll come back immediately. So now we are online, and it's asking us to select the region, the place where we stay. So I am an Indian, I'll select India quickly. So now it is asking for a firmware or a software update out of the box, which is right up there. So it is recommended that we update the console to add new features and remove all the bugs which are there. So guys, we are on the update screen right here. The console has been updating. It says that console will restart during the update, which obviously it does. And it's recommended that we don't press a power off button or any button for that matter, because it's going to start the process all over again. Console has updated and we are on the controller screen here. We need to press the Xbox logo button on the controller, which is right there. We'll press it right away. Once the controller is turned on, it says press A to make a selection. We proceed forward, and it's asking for a software update of the controller right out of the box. So we're gonna press A button to update the controller now. So it has started applying the update to the controller wirelessly, and while updating, the Xbox logo on the controller will start flashing like it looks on the screen here. It shows on the screen that the controller has been updated wirelessly here. We press next. In this screen, we need to sign in with our Microsoft account, or if we don't have one, we need to create one. I already have, so I've already signed in. We press next to accept the terms and conditions. So there are a few terms and conditions that you need to press next. Press next. Yes, I am in. Next. So finally guys, we are on the much awaited screen in which it says we get a 3 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate at just 50 rupees plus tax. With the Game Pass Ultimate, we can add and play all the Xbox exclusive games which are a part of it, and many EA games as well. It also includes the gold membership. It allows you to play online with friends as well. So without wasting much of the time, we'll just press subscribe, and we'll take all the features of Game Pass Ultimate which it has to offer, and we'll hit subscribe button without wasting much of the time. On this screen it says find the best settings for your TV. We hit continue, and I believe it's changing the resolution. Yes, the resolution has changed, and I'll keep the display at 4K since I'm using a 4K television. So finally we are on the screen where it says let's go, take me home. We'll press take me home, and we'll move on to the home screen, I believe. Yes, we have finally moved on to the home screen, where we can see the home screen is getting set for us. It shows we have the Game Pass on the screen, and we'll scroll the screen as well a bit. Now we will press the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate button, and we are on the screen where we can see all the games. We have Gears 5, obviously it's a part of it, it's Xbox exclusive. And we have all the EA games which comes as a part of this package of Xbox Ultimate. We have Red Dead Online, we have GTA 5, we have many popular games which come in the Game Pass Ultimate, which is obviously unique to the Xbox consoles. We will see few EA games also. All the exclusive EA games which are new come handy with this Game Pass Ultimate. I think, guys, we are done here, and I'm all excited to play on my new console. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the bell button in the end. Thanks, guys.